Hey, Ross here from LFS Marine Outdoor. It's June and that means it's another exciting month of Captain's Compass. Did you know the easiest way to maintain your boat that can both extend the life and reduce the operating cost is just cleaning it? It's probably one of the most simplest tasks you can do. So, let's get your boat sparkling shining this month with Captain's Compass, our in-store and online promotional campaign. When you come in a store, look for the Captain's Compass flyer that'll show you all the hot buys for the month, as well as the Captain's Compass end cap with all the hot buys stocked and ready to go. This month's theme is Sparkle and Shine. The hot buys for this month are the Jabsco HD5 Hot Shot Washdown Pump, the Camco Extra Large Collapsible Bucket, Starbrite Bilge Cleaner and Starbrite Boat Wash, Sea-Dog 3-sided cleaning brushes, and the Tempress Quick Disconnect Swivel Seats. Also, take a look at all the hot new styles of 6-inch ankle boots from Xtratuf that have arrived. Our key product feature for this month is the Jabsco HD5 Hot Shot Washdown Pump System. This washdown pump provides the boater of small to medium-sized vessels with a cost-friendly, conveniently packaged high-pressured pump. With a seal pump head and motor, this new model provides the same ease of installation as all Jabsco water pressure pumps. Included in the package is a strainer, nozzle, and fittings for most installations. And don't forget, this month during Captain's Compass, come on in and try one or all the hot new styles of 6-inch ankle boots from Xtratuf. Definitely worth walking in for. We hope to see you in store this month, and also you can check out Captain's Compass on our website at gotomarine.com/captainscompass. Thanks for watching.